Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video I wanted to do like a get ready with me originally, kind of 0 to 100. I was filming it and it was literally taking way too long to kind of do a full get ready with me look. I'm just gonna get straight into it and instead I'm gonna do like a really fun hairstyle video. You guys know that I did a INH, that's an insert name here, review video not that long ago and I was obsessed, like I was absolutely obsessed with the pony. I actually went ahead and got another pony which I'm gonna use in today's video because I want to do something a little bit different. So I thought it'd be great to kind of use that today to have a mess around with and, you know, play around with it and see how I can use the ponies in a different way than how I did before and just kind of do like a full glam look that's really simple and really easy. I also have a discount code for these guys as well, which I'll pop on the screen. Make sure to use that if you do end up purchasing anything from INH. If you would like to see how I created a really fun hairstyle, then please keep watching. So this is the alley pony. You can see it's a lot shorter and a little bit more fun than the one that I had before. This is a little bit more flexible, a little bit more everyday wear. Obviously at the minute I've just blow dried my hair straight. There's nothing exciting going on, but again, you guys can see how good the colour match is. So I'm just going to start off by sectioning my hair, starting from the bottom and then working my way up. So what I like to do just to kind of set the curl is actually spray a little bit of hairspray on before I curl my hair. Not loads because obviously I'm going to be careful, but it just helps to kind of keep it in place. And then I'm literally just wrapping that round. Probably hold it for about 10 to 30 seconds until it feels hot and then just hold the curl into your hand like this and let it drop down like so. There you go, you've got a nice little curl. And I'm not doing these too like tight, but I'm not doing like super even curls either, like not each piece is the same size. I want some that are bigger and some that are more like refined curls because again with the hair piece it's similar. I'm going to go ahead again and spray with my heat protection and hairspray and then section this out. And then this side again, just always wrapping away from your face, wrapping around away from your face rather than towards your face. Just looks a bit more fancy. And then again letting it drop down, and I don't curl like all the way around, I do hold a little piece at the end. Obviously be careful that you don't burn yourself. So with the last pony that I had, I actually ended up wearing it out all the time, you know, like nights out or like spontaneous nights out when I hadn't like had time to fully do my hair properly. And you guys know like my hair's so temperamental anyway. When it's looking like super frizzy it's just really annoying. So having that was like a really good option, but it was just too much kind of for every day. It was so long. It was obviously just too much for like every day to have like a giant Ariana Grande ponies, whereas this like the alley pony is just really nice because it's just a little bit more natural and just looks a little bit more like wearable, and I've worn it out to like family events and stuff like that and people haven't really noticed that I've got hair extensions in, which is great. I'm just going to go ahead and curl the rest of my hair really fast. Stop talking so you guys just watch, but again just wrapping it round, not worrying too much kind of about the size of the pieces that I'm using, and then just hold the curl in place just to set it a little bit, let it cool down. When it gets to like this stage where I'm kind of halfway up my head, I like to go in two parts, so do this side of my head then the other side, just because it makes it a little bit easier with all my hair. So I'm just going to go ahead and do one side and then I'll do the other and then we'll do the front. Wrapping that around away from my face again. So normally when I curl my hair like this I actually would pin my curls up and do them in slightly bigger sections just to kind of keep them super bouncy curls. But with this being more of like a relaxed wave, I just want the intentional curl there. I'm quite lucky because my hair is naturally curly, so even though I've blow dried it straight, it does tend to hold curls a little bit better. If I set my curls, so if I do it in like pin curls, my hair can like stay like that for literally like like 4 days. When it comes to the top pieces, again, we're just wrapping them round, but I am just going to hold them up there for a couple more seconds just to give a little bit of lift. You see, it's just like a very wild, loose curl, but that's kind of what we want, because when I brush it out and when I'm tying my hair up, I want those nice like layers and the fun curls. So now like my whole head is nice and curled, I'm just going to go ahead, pop a little bit of hairspray in. Obviously my fringe is kind of a bit wild, but I've just kind of tried to curl it round to each side ever so slightly. I am just going to go and brush through my curls, kind of twizzle it back just so I've not completely lost the curl, if you know what I mean. So what I'm going to do first is just section off the part of my hair that I do want to include. So literally just taking a small section on the top of my head after where my fringe has finished. So I'm just going to tie this nice and tight, and it needs to be tight in order to like stay secure when we are applying the hairpiece. And then I'm just going to take this hair and twist it, and then we're going to wrap, we're going to make a little bun, keeping it nice and flat if I can, and then apply another hair bubble. Right, so we've tied in a little bun at the top of our head and our hair is looking super messy, but don't worry. What you need to make sure is just like the bun is flat enough and hard enough there, and when we apply the hairpiece that the clips have something to go straight into, because otherwise it'll end up like collapsing on itself. I'm just going to tie the rest of my hair back, because otherwise when we apply the piece it kind of gets stuck in the hair and it just makes it easier to like wrap it around it. So I'm going to pop this at the front and underneath the bun. You want to make sure that that bit is staying flat and straight at the front, and then you're just velcroing it round and securing it in place like so. And then again, you're just carrying on wrapping that round the bun. At the end of the velcro piece it's got like a little bit of hair, and again you're just going to carry on pulling that round, covering up kind of where the velcro was. So once it's like covered how you want it to be covered, just take your bobby pin and you're just going to like secure this back into place. So I just like to push it back through the centre of the bun just to kind of give it a little bit more support. It looks a bit crazy at the minute, but obviously once we unclip everything and style it out it'll look a lot better. So it just obviously instantly gives you that extra thickness and fullness that you weren't getting before. I'm just going to literally like kind of brush over this, make sure it all looks nice and smooth and it's not like super pineapple vibes. But so this is the final completed look. I know it is wild, it's very big hair, very Dolly Parton vibes, but I'm kind of here for it. I think it'd be really cute kind of for like a festival or like carnival vibes. It's very fun, very glamorous. Yeah, I love like a half up half down, so it's just kind of giving me the drama that I was missing from my natural hair. So that is all for today's video. I hope you guys have enjoyed watching me create this masterpiece. Don't forget that I do have a discount code for insert name here if you do want to have a go. Try out a couple of their hair pieces, try out the ponies, try out their hair extensions. You know, they are great. The colour match is incredible. It's growing on me. The more I'm wearing it, the more I'm feeling it. It's like giving me the confidence that I need to be ultra glam. So yeah, so that is everything from me. Again, don't forget to like and subscribe if you've enjoyed this video. I will see you guys very shortly in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.